Deputy Chief Minister in charge PWD Roads Preston Tinsong today laid 7 projects foundation stone at Madan Mi Mintadu for the construction and improvement of roads amounting to rupees 84 crore 14 lakh 37,000. This sanctioned amount will cover improvement, metalling and blacktopping of internal village road at Niryang, protection of road formation of Madan Thalaskein via Mission Etnar to Mutong Road by construction of R-wall, B-wall, V-shaped drain, etc., metalling and blacktopping of internal village roads at Sabah Muswang, rehabilitation, in-charge metalling and blacktopping of internal roads at Mi Mintadu village, rehabilitation, improvement of roads within Jawai town under the World Bank, construction of bridge from KNB Road to Thomas Jones College, widening, improvement and strengthening of Demthring So Minting Muding Mai Road. Speaking on the occasion, Deputy Chief Minister acknowledged the efforts of the state government towards bringing about the development and welfare of the general public in every part of the state, in particular the initiative taken, the improvement and the construction of roads.
Bagini kita gibangi gibadon kam ban pen internet ban pen phu ban pen phing ngihap ban invest ngihap ban warna ya kiskim gibaper henang ba kaburom jog ngejela komong pi kan nang kiu ate dementa kala jialong kaneka project kini kiskim kibaper hang ne juai komong pi kinong juai pide kibadon box shibune.
The Tourism Department today organized a workshop